Hey, Garrick Wordmuller here, President, CEO, Fresh Home Loan, here with a Dream for All update from CalHFA. So yes, it is true. On July 18th of 2023, Legislature approved and Governor Newsom did sign into law $200 million for the CalHFA Dream for All Shared Appreciation Loan Program. And they're going to have an update this fall, so anytime now we should have an update on that. And remember, again, if you did want to apply for the Dream for All home loan, you can definitely apply with us and we'll get you all set up. When the funds are allocated, we'll let you know and we can go gangbusters, close super quick, get you in, get you out, and get you home. That being said, we will see, they think the funds will be out possibly in the spring of 2024 now, but more updates to come in the fall of 2023, so anytime. And if you don't know, it originally was a shared appreciation where they were extending 20% of your purchase price, like an additional 20%, right? Like over and above the funds that you have to apply towards a purchase price. So it really moved people up in the world as far as what they could buy. So it created a huge buzz. But I will say, keep in mind, when these people go to pay off this shared appreciation loan, it is shared appreciation. So you are paying a chunk of change to CalHFA for that loan. That being said, I can't deny it's not a great opportunity. It is a great opportunity. I know people who had spoken to CalHFA though, and they did say, don't bet on getting a CalHFA Dream for All Shared Appreciation Loan. Look at our other products too, because it can be, and it was, a little bit of a lottery. We had people writing offers and funds were gone before we could even hear back from the listing agents towards the end there. So it is a little bit of a Wild West free-for-all when those funds come out, I will say. So you definitely want to be ready with a solid independent mortgage broker such as myself. And other than that, have a great day. If you know anyone looking to buy, sell, or refinance, we will take wonderful care of them. I'm Garrick Wordmuller, President, CEO, Fresh Home Loan.